Okay, we'll get us started. I wanted to know, like, anyone have issues in the remote, connection to anyone? Remote Git, anyone have access? Issues? No, right? You didn't try out. Notes has not been given. Okay, no problem. We can do with all together. Okay, fine. Can you summarize again? I have issues. You guys, if you have to summarize, please go with the videos. You just check it out, buddy. Okay. Go with the videos. I'll just try to walk through, but still you are having the issues. Please go to the videos. Okay. Understand. See what we did yesterday. Just quick overview I'll give you. Still you have issues, please go to the yesterday videos, right? First thing is our main job is to send my work, what is there with me, to the Git remote repository. That is the main job, right? For that, what we have done, we try to connect to our remote first. Okay. We have to connect to the remote. Okay. So in that, what we did, we just went out and we just tried to check it out whether I am connected to remote or not. Initially, at the very first time, you guys will be thinking that, okay, it will not be, you will not be able to go ahead with the connection. Okay. It will be like, no, something not connected like that, you'll get it. Okay. I mean to say just Git remote gone. 1 minute. Still not coming. Hmm? Mm-hmm. No, all are on only. Every switch is on. Current is there in that. पवन जी देखिए क्या हुआ, अभी ऑन हुआ था फिर ऑफ हो गया, अभी आ रहा है. हाँ. Get started now. See, understand please. So what we'll see here, thank you. So we'll first try to check whether my local remote is connected with the Git remote repository or not. Okay, that is my first task. Okay, so what we are doing into that, we are just typing Git remote. No talk, please. Okay, Git remote. If you're gonna enter that, if something is origin master or anything is not coming, that means that you are not connected to any Git repository. Okay, Git repository is Git remote repository. If you'll try to enter that, okay, here, since already have connected yesterday, okay, so for me it's coming as a origin, no doubt. Okay, for me it's already coming as a origin only. Okay, so I'm just quickly try to do it one more time. Okay, let's see, I'm typing touch. Have a look, buddy. touch. Okay, touch. Let's see, I wanted to create one another code. Let's see, touch. Let's see, I wanted to create one another code. Let's see, touch Azure .txt. Okay, right? End to end, I'm doing it once again. Okay, have a look, please. Touch Azure txt. So what will happen if file has been created to July 9 a.m. Sorry, Azure 9 a.m. July GitHub, right? No. Okay. After that, what I used to do, I used to open the editor for that. Okay, txt, right, dear? Okay, so I'll enter that. Editor will open. You cannot type it. You have to type I. I means insert. I means ink. Okay, so you have to type I in that. If you're typing hello Azure, okay, hello Azure, how are you? Okay, right? So I'm just trying to go end to end for that yesterday class. Okay, so here I just tried out with hello Azure, how are you? I wanted to save these. Okay, so how to save it? Escape colon WQ, that you know that very well, right? Colon W. No, we have to go with here. Escape first. Escape. Okay, escape colon WQ. Save, right? I want to see the content Azure.txt. Right? I wanted to save it to my local repo. So what to do? Git commit, right? Hello buddy. Okay, something like that. Okay, I'll give it. So tell me whether this will work or not. Sure. Okay, it'll not work. No. Why? Because my file is not still in the staging area. Okay, it should not work. Enter that. What happened? It says that no, mm and mm.pub public. Okay. Okay, tell me why. What is this? No, what is this? mm.pub, what is this? Why this is coming? If you would have seen the yesterday class very keenly, you might have observed it. Right. Do you remember that at the time of configuring your SSH key, it has asked whether you wanted to store, where you want to store. I gave mm. So it is that mm. Clear? It is that mm. Okay, no? Let me try to go ahead now. Okay, the next thing is I will go ahead and try to git add. See, you have two ways, buddy. Either go with the file name or go with git add space dot. Choice is yours. You can go with anything. Okay, git add azure.txt. Clear here? Now shall I go with the commit? I'll go with the commit here. This will work now, right? Okay, no? Let's see. Okay, it's working, buddy. Right? It's working fine here. Now what to do? It is there in your local, but it's not in your repo. Sorry, remote repo, pardon me. Okay, so git push origin master. Okay, let's see. So what is happening that? Okay, so your code total 3, maybe 3 something I meant it used and code 100% writing it converted from master to master. What should I do? Shall I go with my, where should I go here? I should be going to my, where? Repo, GitHub repo, buddy. Okay, GitHub. Where is my GitHub part? Let me log it once again newly. GitHub here, okay. What is my, okay, I think where I did do that here. No, our team, right? We have created our own team, no, like repo, right? What was that? This or no? Okay, very good. So can you see master had recent pushes 1 minute ago. Okay, it has pushed it. Okay. If you wanted to go and see that master, please click on the master. So master is here. So what is that? Azure.txt is there. Let's see whether the content is there. Hello Azure, how are you? It is coming up, right? Okay, no? Okay, good. So let me try. I just told you this also yesterday also, right? I am doing very good. Okay. I am doing Very good. How about you? Okay, something like that I just messaged. Tell me. So I just tried to make the changes here. Hello Azure, how are you? I just made it as a I'm doing good. How about you? I mean, like, this is the code changes happening from the remote. Okay. And now I'm expecting the same thing to my right. Perfect. So shall I go with the commit? Okay. Let me go to the commit. Now you committed. So whatever you did it, the change it happened over here. Okay. So now what you can do, if you make it, you wanted to make it from remote to local, it would be pull, pull. Push means from local to remote. Pull means from remote to local. Got the point? That's why I'm saying no, don't absent any class. Yesterday you guys were absent, I think. You were absent, no? Don't make it any absent, buddy. Okay. What will happen? It'll be if you are taking the videos, that's fine. If you're not taking the videos, it's very difficult for you, believe me. Okay. Anyway, try to get with your like friends who will help you. Right. So what is that? Pull. Pull means trying to get from remote to local. That is pull. You wanted to send from local to remote, push. Okay. And what is pull request? Merging the one branch to another branch. Don't main branch, another branch. Okay. But majorly we'll do with the main branch only. Clear? Very good. So I wanted to go ahead and get the pull things. Okay. So let me go with yesterday one where it is git pull. Okay. Shall I go with this? Let's come then. Now here, okay, before I go to the next step, yeah, buddy, Washim, understand, we have a different branches actually, okay. The branch that you are creating it, that is a one branch, okay, with your own branch name. And we have a main branch and master branch. Wherever the remote term will come, obviously first it will go and create a master branch. Master. Main is a main branch, okay. You cannot disturb the main. That's why we are doing everything in the master branch. Whatever the changes, push, pull, and everything you are doing it, that you can go with your master branch. You should not be disturbing the main branch. Main is a live branch, I told you, right? It's like no unique code you have for entire organization. You should not be disturbing it, okay? Whatever the changes you are doing it, go do it to your, not able to hear. Come, no, sit. We have a chair there. Come there, sit there. No? Sit there anywhere. Sit there. You also come, buddy. Bro, you can sit there, no? Okay, good now? Fine. Okay, so master would be only one. Okay, it have name only one master branch. One master branch, one main branch, and multiple sub branches. Okay. Whatever the transaction from from local to remote, remote to local and all, it will be performed on the master branch. If you observe that, okay, everything looks to be fine, right? In that case, you can move from the master branch to main branch with the help of pull request. Very good. This is how your GitHub look like, okay? Now, GitHub, we have a two important topic that you have to understand. One is called as a merge conflict. Another one is called as a cherry pickup. Okay. So tell me one thing. Usually I used to give assignment these two topic. I thought of checking your deep knowledge, whether how much exploring capacity you guys have it or how much you are interested to do it. Tell me whether you will be able to explore the, what is that? Merge conflict and cherry pickup, cherry. There's a term called cherry pick. Okay, cherry pick. Okay, so I'll show you also. Don't worry. Wait. Yes, cherry pick. So if you wanted to do the compare and all, you can understand it, right? Okay, understand, guys. Here, the two things. Okay, let me ask you this one fork also. Fork is also important for you. Understand what is the fork is. Future classes I'll be giving. Let's see. I have some set of code in my repo. I have some set of code in my repo. So repo means GitHub repo. Okay. I wanted to give you that set of code to you. Okay. I wanted to give the set of code to you so that you'll understand, okay, what we have to go ahead and what we have to do and something like that you want to understand, buddy. Okay. So in that, what do you mean by like, let's see, I have set a code, but I cannot mail you. I cannot, like go and send it WhatsApp. I cannot have a Telegram also. Okay. We don't have those things with us, right? So what you can do? Nothing. Pretty simple. Simple thing is what you can do. You have an option of call as a fork. Okay. Let's see. You are into your account. Okay. And I'll give this URL to you. Okay. If I give this URL to you, you can just go back to the code here, repository. Then let's see, I'm going with Azure repo. Imagine that. Azure repo. Okay. So, and what you can do, you have an option of fork. Can you see here? Fork symbol, like something like this fork symbol. Okay. You just have to click on the fork symbol. Okay. You just have to click on the fork symbol. Just click on the fork. If you click on the fork, okay, whatever the set of repo, Azure repo that you are having and you can see on the screen, right? That will go to your repo. Understand? Okay. I'll tell you also. Hold on. Let me search it something. Okay. I'll just try to go with something search. I'll just try to search it here as Ansible. Okay. Not Ansible. Ansible collection. Imagine that. Ansible collection. So we have let's see, this is the Ansible collection has been given by some guys. Come here, come here, come here. Somebody has given this. Imagine that. Somebody has given this. Okay. I like this code. Okay. I want to get the use of it. But this is a public code. Okay. Then only. Okay. I just made the use of this public code. And if I'm sending the request, then you can accept it. Okay. So I wanted to make this use of this code. So what I'll do, I'll try to click on the fork. Just click on the fork. What will come? That Ansible SC, the same fork repo name will come to you. Click on the create fork. Understand? Now, if you go and see in my repository, there's another repo called as a Ansible SCB. I'll tell you how. Click here. Okay. Go to my repository. Okay. Can you see? It is there with me now. Okay. So forking means getting a copy of repository from another user to your user. I will be making the use in the future classes. Whenever I have to give the code, I'll give my URL of the GitHub. You can fork that code to yourself. Got the point? That is a fork. Another thing is called as a merge conflict. What is merge conflict? Merge conflict is nothing. Let's see, you already have something in the main branch. Okay. You already have something in the main branch. Same thing you wanted to update it again. So it is a conflict, right? Already something is there. Again, you are using the same thing, right? So what will happen? First time it will allow to merge. But again, you are doing it. It will be the merge conflict. So buddy, usually I used to give these two assignment, merge conflict in your understanding. And today is Tuesday, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 5 days I'm going to explore that. Monday, I want to know whether you guys understand the merge conflict or not. You have to work on scenario. One scenario, you create a merge conflict. You will be getting a merge conflict, right? After that, how to resolve the merge conflict? That is your assignment. Will you able to do it, or we have to do it? Trying is important. See, if you don't know, that's not a problem at all. Main thing, you are trying or not. If you're trying, see what is happening is in the real time you'll go and work, right? You'll get a new issues. So that time I'll not be coming with you. Okay. You have to try it by your own. Until don't go and ask every time with your friends what is the solution. Try to go and explore it. We have a Google, we have many things to do. Go and try it, explore it. Come that. Again, you are still facing the issues. We will be creating the Telegram group. End of the class, we will be creating one Telegram group for entire batch. Okay. In that batch, you guys will be there for lifelong. Okay. Until unless you are facing any issues. Let's see, C is getting some issues in that real time. Okay. What C can do, she can type the message in that. C is having the mind only one brain, right? But we have around 90 people, online, offline, all. So if 90 people will think on that, they wanted to search it, obviously anyone can get the solution there. Okay. So we'll be creating one Telegram group for you. That might not be possible for me to go and jump because I have taken multiple batches. It's not possible to go in every group I can. But yes, if it is required, definitely I'll jump and I'll try to see that. Okay. So try to explore is important, one buddy. Exploring is important. Until unless you are not exploring anything, you'll not able to learn anything. Please believe me. Getting my words, getting the codes, getting the definition, getting it something, copy it, paste it, execute, it will not work out. You have to learn always the new things. Okay. So buddy, this part, okay, this part, yeah, Vashim, thank you so much. Assignment for the day is you have to first create the merge conflict. You go and explore it. Okay. Through what? I don't know anything. You do it. Then how to resolve it? You have a time till Monday. Coming Monday. Monday, I want everyone to send a mail to me. Heading should be merge conflict hyphen your name. Okay. So let's see like how many people is able to do it. If not, then Monday I can discuss it. But believe me, in Naresh IT, I have taken around 5-6 batches already completed. Okay. I didn't get a chance to know or explain this because people have already done it. Okay. So let me see with this time. That doesn't mean you tried it, you are not able to understand. That doesn't mean they say that, oh, I understand. No, there's no use then. Again, say that, I'll explain you. Okay. So will you be able to do it? Online guys, will you able to do it? See, 52 guys are there, okay, including me also. How many response I'll get? Let's see. Only one, Vashim. Only 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, I'll get it now. No problem. Online guys, offline guys, clear? What is the assignment? You have to create a merge conflict. You have to find out how to resolve that. And you have to take the screenshot and send it to me. Clear? Okay, good, perfect, dear. Thank you. Perfect. Try out. Nothing bad in trying, dear. Okay. Now, good. Okay, good. So, buddy, whatever we have learned in the remote Git repository, that is quite sufficient. But we have few more things that you guys have to unlearn it. Okay. That I'll be telling it now. Okay. Understand that. Remote is okay. All good with the remote. Come down. Yes, one more thing. Remote SSH, while connecting the SSH, okay, you guys may face some issues. It happens. First time when you're doing, no, it happens. So you just try to explore this. 1-2 days you try it. Again, if you're not doing it, send out a mail. I'll give you solution for that. Okay. That idea? Fine. Let me close this. Or let me come to this. Yes. Now understand. We have done till this point, I guess. Okay. Till this point we have done. Okay. Let's discuss the other one. Now understand here. How many branches are there here? How many branches are there, buddy? Let me close it all. How many branches are there? Okay. Tell me, don't do that. What branch I am? Are you sure master branch? How you are telling that master branch? Okay. You have this option called as here. Master. Okay. How to check how many branches you have? Okay. You have an option of Git. You have an option of Git branch. Let me type as a Git branch. How many? Only one, that to call as a master branch. An asterisk symbol means you are in that branch. Let me create a new branch. How to create a new? Let's see. I wanted to create my own branch, Naveen branch. Okay. So how to do it? You have an option of git. Okay, git branch and give the branch name called as a Naveen branch. Okay, enter that. If no error, that means it's working fine. That means we have created the branch. Let me check out here whether we have a branch or not. Now tell me one thing. You have created Naveen branch. Very good, right? Good. You already had master branch. Good. Master branch, how many files are there with you? Basically two, code.txt and azure.txt. This two file is like no readme file, okay? This we have got it for SSA, that ignore that too. How many are there? Two. Tell me dear, you have that files in your own branch, master branch. What if you have created that your Naveen branch, whether this file will go to there or not? In that normal Azure repo, you have seen that a copy of file will come. Will it come here or not? It did not ask no whether you wanted to make the base or not. Good question, no? Let me explain you one more time. You are inside Azure 9 AM July GitHub directory. In that you are into the master branch. You have created these two files and you have created one new branch that is called as a Naveen branch. So if you wanted to jump to Naveen branch, will you guys be getting these two file in that or not? If you are getting yes, why you will get it? Because I haven't made it any base branch. Right. It is already there in the master branch. I just gave the name as a git branch. So let me jump to the Naveen branch and see that. How to jump? We have a two different ways. Okay, we have a two different ways. One is called as a git switch to switch. Switch to your switch. We'll see. Git switch and git checkout. Okay, two are there. Git switch and git checkout. Yes, switch only. Yeah, we'll see. Git switch and checkout. So let me type as a git switch, or let me make it as a checkout. Okay, and what branch? Naveen branch. So if we'll type it here, what will happen? It came as a switch to Naveen branch. So can I go ahead now and check it out? Okay. Can I go ahead now and check it out whether Naveen branch, the files are there or not? So what is the way to check it out, buddy? Okay. ls. Very good. It is there, right? Okay, no? Very good. So your file that is there, it is there with you. Okay. Now, so let me create one more file into the Naveen branch. Okay. And we'll see whether that is there into that. Yes, master branch or not. Clear? Try to do here again, see there, create there, see there, like that. Okay. So let me create one file called touch Sunday, all love Sunday, no? Sunday.txt. Okay. So let me try to edit that Sunday.txt editor. It's always good to have Sunday. Okay. Okay. Right. We'll wait for Sunday. Okay. Now let's imagine that we have a content that will wait for you. Okay. So let me share it. Escape : WQ. Let me check the content of that. Sunday.txt. Let's see how many files are there. 3. Okay. That too is readme file here. This is a configuration file. Okay. Don't consider that. Now let me go to the git. Check out what to do. Master. Very good. Okay. It's vice versa. You're getting here. You'll get there. You're getting there here. Because we don't have any term called base. Okay. Got the point? Now let's try to explore one more thing. What I'm trying to explore. Can anyone tell me? Sorry. I'll create one more branch and there I'll create a file and I'll see whether it is going to all or not. Okay. It's quite interesting. Understand, please. Let me create one more branch. Git branch. Okay. What is that? Naveen branch is there, na? Now let me make it as a Azure branch. Okay. Let me go to the Git checkout. Yes, buddy. Checkout Azure branch. Clear? Right? File are there. Let me create one file. Touch Saturday. Okay. Right? Now. It's breaking, is it? Dheeraj, it's breaking. Guys, can someone please confirm whether it's breaking for every one of you? Other folks? Login for time. No, okay. Guys, I'm not sure like what is the issue because I am good now. Okay, and others also are working. It look fine for others. 1 minute, hold on. I don't have any other weapon apart from this. Or okay, check guys whether it's look fine now. Jatin and Ramesh. Check it out whether it looks fine now. Check it, folks. Okay, thank you, Ramesh. Then okay, fine. So I have a file here now. Okay, let me jump to master, right? Yes or nobody? Let me jump to master and let's see. It is any file you create, it will go that it is interlinked actually here. Okay, good. Fine. So that is quite enough for that GitHub part. Okay, that you can like explore it out. I'll be giving all the commands to you for since these all tasks could be done by your development team. Pushing the code, pulling the code. You have to just keep an eye on him. Okay. In case what there is happening, they are trying to give you some file. They say that, hey, this is working fine. I already pushed some file to you. Okay. So you should not be agreeing on that. If they are saying that no, you have to go ahead and you have to say no, you haven't pushed the file. Where is the push? Okay, that you can understand with them. Okay. Now next thing that I wanted to go with you is Linux. Okay, Linux. Actually, Linux is a kind of kernel. Okay, Linux is a kernel. Okay, kernel that comes into the operating system called Ubuntu. Okay, Linux is a kernel that comes into the operating system of Ubuntu. Ubuntu, you have already heard it, right? Like how we have a window, no? Similar type of that. We have a something called as a Ubuntu. Got the point? Okay. We have something called as a Ubuntu. Now understand that. What is Ubuntu? Okay. Understand. Ubuntu is an operating system. Even like people say Linux also is an operating system only. Okay. Now, before we move forward, we have to go ahead and understand here. Okay. So I will be adding the commands here. Okay, GitHub commands here. Don't worry. Understand please here. Now see Linux. What is the Linux? First understand. Usually this is also known as a kernel only. Okay. But nowadays all guys are saying that this is an operating system. Okay. Advantages that you should know. What is the advantage of the Linux on top of Windows? We have many advantages using the Linux on top of Windows. I'll explain nearly 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is possible for me. First part, security. Okay. Second part, reusability. Third point. Okay. Third point. We'll cover that. Don't worry. No need to restart or reboot frequently. Fourth one, multitasking. What is that that we are updating? No, some not. What is that? Antivirus, right? No need to install antivirus. Okay. 6th point. We'll discuss that. This is fine enough to understand. Security. How Linux operating system is more secure than Windows. Understand, please. Whenever you are trying to download, this is the window, right? Okay. Let's see. You have some. You wanted to download. Let's see. You wanted to download Zoom. Okay. So what you are doing? You're trying to go to Zoom download. You are going to the website and you are trying to download it. Okay. During this, what happens is there might be the chance that if you keep on that something Zoom download, we have a different provider that can give you the Zoom. Out of that, the accidentally what happens is you might not be aware which one is the right link, which is the wrong link. Okay. So you might be trapped by, okay, intruder, and then like virus can attempt on your system. It happens. Did you heard it? Especially if you go for Facebook and all, right, ad will come, right? If you click on it, on the link, another link will come. Okay. So if you're gonna move this website on this, okay, that will happen to you. All the download, Zoom download, Facebook download, WhatsApp download, Azure download, Git download, whatever, Chrome download, Mozilla download, you have to go to the Google, type it, and you have to get it from the browser. So chances are high that you can be caught by some intruder, okay, virus, right? But if you go to the Linux operating system, it will suggest you, it will be allow you, it will be force you, okay, to go and download with the command. Let's see, I'll tell you. Zoom download, okay, for Linux. See that. What is the command? It'll ask for that. So we have an option for that, buddy. It'll be something called as a something like this. It'll be there. Okay. Sudo down, something like that. Okay. Or you can just write it as sudo code for Zoom download for Linux. See, this one you have to type it. Okay. If you'll type this sudo apt install Zoom, so you are hitting that particular location only. Go and go ahead and go to the Zoom amd64.dev file only, download it. Don't download other, don't go any other else. So the chances are high that you are safe, right? Yes or no? Buddy, let's see if you wanted to go to high-tech city. If someone creates a flyover from here to high-tech city directly, you can go. There is no chance to deviate from your track, right? But if you go by road, what will happen? You can go to Kukatpalli side, you can go this side, you can go to there. So the chances are high that you deviate from the path, right? So this is the way, this is more secured. All the download will be happen with the help of sudo code only. Got the point? Okay, every one of you? Good. That is the one plus point. Another plus point I can say for the security is the word that you can see here, the sudo, right? If you remove also, nothing will happen. Okay. But in case of download, install anything, sudo has to be typed. What is the sudo is, if you will type the sudo and hit enter, it will ask you to enter the login credentials. It will ask you to enter the password. First time it will ask. If you log the system, you come out of that, no, it will not ask. Okay, you log the system, you close that browser terminal. Again, you are writing sudo, it will ask you. But one time you write sudo, next time again you are writing, it will not ask, because they will come to know this is a genuine user. But if I have a system, I try to log into the sudo apt something. So I know my password, right, to enter. But some other user, they cannot know. No. So that is another level of security, right? Okay. If you're writing sudo. But if you go to your window, there's no sudo and anything, they'll not ask the password also. In the organization system, they are logged. That's why they're asking the administration password, but not the normal system. Clear? Okay. That is the security, understand? It is highly secure, right? Okay, good. Another point, understand. Another point. Window, you are downloading any other type of notepad, anything you can download it. Okay. But in that Linux, you cannot download the other type. Whatever the software provided by the Linux Ubuntu operating system, that only you can download it. Other you cannot download it. Got the point? Okay, good. Next, third point is, second point, reusability. Same set of code. Okay, you can send it to the multiple environment also, multiple operating system also. Okay, that is another reusability. Third, no need to reboot frequently. Believe me, I'm using that Linux operating system. I don't know when I restarted my laptop. I used to restart my laptop only one time. You know when? When there is out of battery. It will automatically log out. Okay, it will have to restart it again. That time only I'm doing it. You go for 6 months of time. No problem. They will not hang it also. They'll not ask you. They'll not force you to reboot also. So that is a good thing, right? Another one, multitasking. What is that? One day I'll try to bring my office laptop. I'll show you. Okay. How many tabs? Around 50 to 20, not maybe 20 plus tab I used to open like this. You have only around 10, right? Okay. So I used to open around more than 20, 25 tabs actually at a time, and it will not hang also. Okay. So that is a multitasking. You can able to do it, buddy. Reusability means you have a set of code, you have a set of file that you can transfer to Linux to Windows, Windows to Mac, that you can do it. Okay. Same set of code you can move ahead with the next level here. Right, Vashim? Yes, window is there. Okay. I mean, like few features for window also. Okay. But I'm just trying to give the advantages of this. Okay. It's not like that the window cannot able to do it. They can also do it. Okay. But we are trying to do show you that what is the benefits of this Linux operating system. Okay. Now, multitasking, understand? Let's see. I'm talking about the multitasking you can do in the window also, right here. Okay. But window this much efficiently, what if you do it for 20, 30, no, it'll hang it. Okay. It'll load it, right? Your program is not responding. This application is not responding. Hang on for some time or restart something, you'll get the message. But Linux will not get it. Never will get it. Okay. Another one. This is just a small information, buddy, for just to understand it. Okay. No need to install antivirus. It will not force you to install antivirus because they have their own protected method. You cannot download anything from outside. Then how will you install it? There is no point of doing it. Okay. One more thing. Okay. Sixth, no major update in OS. Okay. No major. If it is there also, it would be done with patch. Understand? So if we see through the window, every time, sometime pop-up will get it where window is out of running. Okay, window is due for up to date, something like that, you'll get it, right? But if you go with the Linux one, okay, yes, if you go with the Linux one, okay, you don't have to bother that. It will automatically done by the patch. Patch means we learn in the Azure Community Services the patch. Patch is it's kind of like one code that will be given by the Linux, and all the system of the Linux will be go and install it. It will be installed in certain time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, automatically it will install it. You don't know also how to update it. You don't have to update that. Okay. Now, license version. Usually Windows is a paid. I know you guys are using the free one, or you're getting the new laptop, then you are getting the license one. But if you go with the license one of the window, it will cost you around 7,000, 8,000. It may be 10,000 also. Okay. Right. But if you go to the Linux, it's entirely free. It's free of cost. It's like no open source. Got the point? No need to go for the license version for that. Right? Yeah. Okay. Good. So these all the like benefits are there. Now, Linux commands are much important to understand. Why? Because, okay, interviewer are asking nowadays some questions on the Linux commands. Usually Linux command would be used by mostly AWS guys. We guys are not using the Linux command. Okay. Yes, we are using it for the GitHub. GitHub, whatever you see, ls, touch, cat, these all are the Linux command only. Okay, these are all called as a Linux command only. So I tried to collect around 20 to 30 common questions that we guys are getting it in the interview. That I used to like do it in our class. That is not important to do, but yes, I don't want to like mush any questions from you guys. Okay. So you have to go with those Linux commands. So let me try to open this Linux command that we'll be doing today. Okay. Linux command. Yeah. These are all the commands that will be getting it mostly till 25. It will be useful. Others is not required. So I'll be teaching till 25 all the commands. Okay. Let me go one by one with each command. What is a PWD? It's a working directory. Okay. Let me do one thing. Okay. I'll take you to this. I'll just create one folder for this. Let me close this. I'll create a folder for you. This is new folder. Azure 9 a.m. July Linux. Okay. Let me run it. You can run it with the different way, buddy. One you can do with the Git. Okay. GitHub, I didn't show you the UI, right? GUI, Git GUI. That I'll be showing in the project. Don't worry. Okay. Again, I'll tell you. Understand, please. This is the Git UI, right? Can you see here? I will be teaching you at the time of discussion of the app services. Maybe once we complete that Linux, tomorrow we'll go back, we'll jump to our services portal account. Okay. Most probably, guys, everyone, please be ready with your credit card, debit card for the tomorrow account. You have to create the portal account tomorrow. Okay. Yep, buddy. This is Ubuntu only. This all version is Ubuntu, right? Okay. So let's go with this. Try to click right click and go with the Git bash. For Linux operating system, guys, you can go with the terminal. Mac operating system, you guys can go with the terminal. Okay. Terminal. Let's click on the terminal here. Now let me go ahead and show you the very first command that needs to be. First is PWD. PWD stands for present working directory. Where is your current status? Which directory you are? Okay. So you will get it here. Where you are? You are in C drive, user, admin, desktop, Azure 9 a.m. July Linux directory. Clear here? Okay. You are in the directory. That is PWD. The next command that you should know, ls, that you know already. ls, list of the file. Since this is newly created, we don't have any content in that. That is coming as a blank. There is called as a ls-l. That is also with the details. List of the files with detail when it is created. What is the permission? That all. We'll repeat the same thing once again. Now, in the world of Linux, we don't have, okay, do one thing. I am having this. What is this? Usually, we people will say the folder, right? But anyone who is using the Linux operating system, they will not tell this as a folder. They'll tell this as a directories. Okay? Directory. You also should say the directory only. Okay. So this is Linux 9 a.m. July is a directory, right? So what we'll do, we'll right click this. Okay, this is the directory. Inside the directory, do we have anything? No. If I wanted to create some file in this, what to do? If I wanted to create some file in there, what to do? Nothing. Yes, touch. We seen in the Git, no, same buddy. I told right, touch and all is a Git Linux command only, right? Touch. You are right, dear. It is a touch command, okay? So what you can do, I can go back here and click as a touch, okay? And let it make it as a narraseIT.txt. Clear? Okay, enter that. You go and see whether this is created or not. Created, right? The way to validate is either come physically over here and just see that, okay, or else what you can do, you can type it as a ls command, right? ls is a list of the file and folders also. It will not only show the files, it will be showing all your folder also. Okay, that is called as a ls. Very good. ls, right? So let me show that. Click on as ls. How many files are there with me? Only one file. How to edit that? vi, that you know already. You are master on that. Okay, so you have a vi command. Vi narraseIT.com. Oh, sorry, pardon me. I did mistake. No, it is it has created a new file then. Okay, pardon me, dear. See, the website has created here. Oh, my bad. Okay, ignore that, dear. Ignore that. No cat. To create any to edit that file, to add a content, cat is not needed. To see the content, cat is needed. Okay, so I'll try to go, buddy. What is the, ignore this one? Okay, vi narraseIT.txt. Enter that. Hello world. Okay, now escape it. Colon wq. Now, what to see the, what is the command that see the content? Cat. Very good. Cat. Just type as a cat narraseIT.txt. Right now? Okay. Come on. Can you see the content of the file? We can delete. Yes, you can delete also. I'll be showing the delete also. There is a command called rm, remove. Okay, that will discuss that, buddy. Don't worry. We have a command called rm. Okay, for that you have to understand. We can see here. Don't worry. Now, so the basics is done. These all things. Why I'm doing it? Because you already have done it. You know already. That's why I did all the command. Right. So let me go with the next one that you guys don't know that. Okay. Okay, very good. Let's imagine that I am inside the 9 a.m. I have a file here also. Okay. Let's imagine that I wanted to create one more directory inside it. So usually what we'll do, right click and new folder, right? But I don't want to do with this. Everything I want to do with the command prompt only. So what is the command for that? You already have know that before also. What is that? Very good. mkdir, make directory. mkdir means make directory. Okay. Make directory space. You have to give your directory name. What is the directory name? Let's make it as a null site is already there now, bro. Okay, let's make it as a Hyderabad. Okay, MK directory Hyderabad. Enter that. So what happened? A directory has been created. Very good. Now ls. Okay, See, what is that? How you can find this is a directory and this is a text box? How you can differentiate? Can anyone please tell me? Are you able to find any difference between these two? Yes, obviously. The first one is Hyderabad forward slash. Forward slash means it's not ended. Many more to come. You can go inside and you can create multiple things. That is forward slash. That means you can go and go with the multiple things in that. Right? Got the point? Hyderabad forward slash. That means you can go ahead and you can enter into many fields into that, right? That is called a part 40. Good. Now, but this is, we don't have any forward slash. That is a file. You don't have, you cannot go inside the file and you can create something. Got the point? No? Okay, good. Now, you wanted to go to the file. You wanted to go inside the file. Right now you are in this directory. Now you wanted to go to this directory. What to do? CD space HYD. Right? You are inside the Hyderabad now. Now type it as a ls. This is not a Git branch. Okay. Don't expect anything like no. In the there it was there, all the content was coming up Naresh id.txt. Why I'm not getting it here? This is not a Git branch here. Okay, this is a normal directory, buddy. Clear now? Got the point, buddy? Every one of you? Okay. This is not a yes. Pardon. Okay, come here. So nothing is there here now. Here also you can get some file. Touch. Hello dot. Clear? Clear here? Hello.txt. You can edit also. Hello.txt. Enter. Give some content. Okay. Right? Save it. Column WQ. Clear no? See the content cat. Okay. Good, right? Very good then. Now, where are you now? You are inside your 9 a.m. Hyderabad. If you wanted to see the current directory, PWD, type it. Right? You are there now. Now understand. Let's see. I wanted to create one folder in my Azure 9 a.m. July. Like how you have Hyderabad, right? I wanted to create Chennai. Like how we have a Hyderabad. No, I wanted to create Chennai. Okay. Another folder like Hyderabad. So what to do? CD space Hyderabad. Okay. No, you have to go ahead and you have to come out of Hyderabad. Okay. You wanted to come out of Hyderabad to the last directory. What is the last directory? This one. Okay. For that option is called CD space 8. CD space dot dot. You'll come back to your here. Again, if you type CD space dot dot, what will happen? It'll come to desktop. You're right. So you can create another directory, make directory as Chennai. Okay. ls. So did you get the point, is buddy? Okay. Now let me see how much we have covered. This done, right? Done. Done. This is not done. Okay. I'll do it. Okay. Okay. Let me do it only. Next is which one? RM directory. No. Very good. Understand, please. Let's see, buddy. We have a 3 type of directory, buddy. Make directory, remove directory. Okay. Make directory and remove directory, or copy directory also. No. Make directory and remove directory will be made it and remove it and delete also. Okay. So let's see if I wanted to delete. How many directories are there in this? 2, Chennai and Hyderabad. Let's see, I wanted to delete Hyderabad. Can I delete it? I wanted to delete Hyderabad, guys. Can I delete it or not? No? Why not no? Hmm? Why, dear? Why we are not able to delete this? We can delete it. Very good. Okay. How to delete it? The syntax for is rmdir Hyderabad. But I say I cannot delete it. Tell me the reason why. Make think that I'm like just use your logic, buddy. Why you cannot? Because, buddy, already Hyderabad is having some file with them. No, you have them file some file with you, right? So you have to destroy that file first. What the point? Chennai, you can delete it because you don't have any file in the Chennai. We just created the Chennai here, right? We don't have any file in the Chennai, but you cannot delete the Hyderabad. RM directory stands for remove only. Remove means delete. Okay, it will delete it, buddy. But how? You have already some files there inside that, right? Okay, you cannot delete it. I'll show you. You can or you cannot. Can you see what is the message you are getting? Directory not not empty. It is not empty until unless something is not empty. You cannot delete it. Okay, you cannot remove it. So let me check whether I can remove Chennai or not. Okay, Chennai or not, right? So let's see how to do it. RM RM dir Chennai. Everybody, yeah, deleted. Okay, because it was empty, no, that's why it got deleted. Clear? Let me come to ls. Do we have any Chennai with me? No, we don't have any. Right, no, dear? Got it? Very good. So that is, you understand the remove now. Okay. Now understand. We have a 3 different type of operators actually, commands actually. Copy, remove. Okay, one more thing. Hold on. Okay, here. Remove, copy, and move. 3. What all those are? Copy, move, remove. You have to understand that. Let me first tell you, take you to first one. Any messages, guys? Okay. Copy. Okay. What is meaning of copy? What does mean by copy, buddy? To copy the content, entire file itself, leave the content. Entire file you are copying it from one place to another place. That is called as a copy. That you know already, everybody. Perfect. So copy file will work for the copying of the some files and folders, whatever it is there in one location to other location. That is called as a copy. That you guys already know it. Very good. Okay. Let me go and do something. Okay. So how to copy it, buddy? Dear, how to copy it? If we wanted to copy, no. Let's see. Where are I am? I am to here. Any file are there? Naresh IT file is there. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me jump to Hyderabad first. Okay. Let's see. Any file are there? Hello is there. Let's see. I wanted to copy hello.txt to Azure 9 AM July Linux. Can we do it? Understand what is my concept here? Understand. Have a logic here. What I want. I'm inside the Hyderabad. This is hello.com. Usually what we'll do, I'll right click here, copy it. I'll go back to my file. Okay, I'll go back to here and paste it. Right. That you're doing manually, right? But you how to do with the commands. So that for that we have an option called CP. Okay, CP. Right. So copy. You are inside the Hyderabad. Okay, very good. So you are inside the Hyderabad. So just type it as a CP. What you wanted to copy? Hello.txt you wanted to copy. Where you wanted to copy? You wanted to copy to Azure 9 AM July batch, right? So go back to here. Okay. Copy the location. Got the point? Here I want to drop. So I want the address. No. If I don't know the address, you cannot do it, right? So go back to here. and try to paste out here. Did you get the point, buddy? Now tell me, will it work or not? Will it work or not? You have a command for the copy. You have a file also. You have a destination also. Will it work or not? It'll work. I say it will not work. Okay. Let's see why it will not work. Then see, enter. Okay. You are saying it's worked? Okay. Actually, it's not worked, buddy. What is happening? I'll tell you why. See. Understand. Go back to Linux operating system here. Okay. Understand, please. You are inside. Is it coming up? No. The reason for that, buddy, is you have done one mistake, buddy. What you have done? See the direction of the Linux, how it is going. Forward direction, right? Yes or no? And where it is? Backward direction. Both are different, right? So we have to work it accordingly. Shall I go and change it? Come here. Right here. Okay. Right. Clear? You wanted to copy your file from hello.txt to this location you wanted to copy, right? Let me enter it. Now go and see. Copied, right? Hello copied, no? Even you can see here also. First see whether the hello is there or not. See, the first time you copied, no, that is the result of this. It has given the location. It has copied the location. It has copied the location. It has not copied the file. Okay. So what is the file you have? It is here also. Let me go back to Hyderabad. Let me go back to your Azure 9M, right? Understand? So cd ..ls. Is the hello is there? Yes or nobody? Hello is there both place, right? I'll stop it here only, okay? Because you get confused. So I'll just try to give all the command that we have done so far today only. Okay. Remaining we can see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll close this Linux. Okay. We have around 10 more commands, it seems. Copy done, ls done, ls al also touch done, gedit. Okay. Gedit and vi. What is the gedit? Vi is a command. Okay. Vi is a command for editing that some editor, right? That is used in your window and Linux also. But gedit will not work in the window. It will work on only Linux. I'll show you. See, I just try to, let's see how many commands are hello.txt, right? Gedit hello.txt. It will not work because this command is especially for the Linux operating system only. Okay, fine. That we'll see tomorrow class, buddy. Okay.